It's like Thanksgiving in a waffle. All right, well, I hope you liked that video and let me know which breakfast idea you try. I honestly like them all. I am currently finishing my waffles here. The whipped cream is melting because I've been busy taking pictures, but I'm gonna eat it anyway because it is delicious. I don't even know which breakfast I like better. I like the overnight oats are really good. It's like the filling of a pumpkin pie. The granola like cereal is really good. Like you can even just snack on that. And I love cereal. Who doesn't like cereal? And this is just beyond good. Oh my gosh. So try one of them. Tell me what your favorite is.